Guten Tag. Welcome to another simple German conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll learn how to talk to a doctor, describe your symptoms, and understand basic medical instructions in German. Make sure to watch it till the end, where we'll summarize the useful words you learned, along with in-context examples from the dialogue. Let's get started.
Wie heißen Sie bitte? What is your name, please?
Ich heiße Tom Müller. My name is Tom Müller.
Wie alt sind Sie? How old are you?
Ich bin 28 Jahre alt. I am 28 years old.
Was ist passiert? What happened?
Ich habe meinen Ellbogen verletzt. I injured my elbow.
Wann ist das passiert? When did it happen?
Gestern beim Sport. Yesterday during sports.
Tut es sehr weh? Does it hurt badly?
Ja, besonders beim Bewegen. Yes, especially when moving.
Haben Sie auch Fieber? Do you also have a fever?
Ja, seit heute Morgen. Yes, since this morning.
Ich messe Ihre Temperatur. I'll take your temperature. Sie haben 38,5 Grad. You have 38.5 degrees.
Ist das schlimm? Is that serious?
Nicht schlimm, aber wir behandeln es. Not serious, but we'll treat it. Ich sehe, der Ellbogen ist geschwollen. I see the elbow is swollen. Wir machen ein Röntgenbild. We'll take an X-ray.
Okay, kein Problem. Okay, no problem.
Kein Bruch, nur eine Prellung. No break, just a bruise.
Das ist gut zu hören. That's good to hear.
Ich gebe Ihnen eine Salbe. I'll give you an ointment.
Und etwas gegen Fieber? And something for the fever?
Ja, Sie bekommen Tabletten. Yes, you'll get tablets. Bitte 3 Tage ausruhen. Please rest for 3 days.
Brauche ich ein Attest? Do I need a sick note?
Ja, ich schreibe es jetzt. Yes, I'll write it now.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe. Thank you for your help.
Gern geschehen. Gute Besserung. You're welcome. Get well soon.
Auf Wiedersehen, Frau Doktor. Goodbye, doctor. Great job. You just got through a simple German conversation. Now let's take a look at some of the useful words you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Ellbogen.
Elbow.
Fieber.
fever,
Temperatur,
temperature,
Röntgenbild,
X-ray,
Bruch,
fracture,
Prellung,
bruise,
Salbe,
ointment,
Tabletten,
tablets,
Attest,
sick note, verbs,
verletzt,
injured,
sehen,
to see,
eben,
to give,
ausruhen,
to rest,
schreiben,
to write. Adjectives,
geschwollen,
swollen,
schlimm,
serious. Prepositions,
beim,
during,
gegen,
for. Well done! You've just picked up some useful German words and phrases for visiting the doctor and describing how you feel. Rewatch the video multiple times to get comfortable with the vocabulary. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to tune in daily. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Guten Tag!